After you have run a simulation or written any other code that uses objects, you should delete the objects from memory. Excel has good memory management routines that usually free up your system resources after your code stops running, but it's still good practice to remove the objects when you're done with them. I'll demonstrate how to do that in this movie. My sample file is chapter 0206, and you can find it in the chapter 2 folder of your exercise files collection. I won't be doing any work with the sim setup worksheet, so I'll press Alt F11 to move directly over to the Visual Basic Editor. You delete your objects from memory when you're done with them, and in this case that means that will happen at the very end of the subroutine. So I will scroll all the way down to the bottom, and between next and the end substatement, I will set the collections to nothing to free up memory. So I will add a comment to document that, set collections to nothing to free up memory. And then we'll just use the nothing keyword to set our customers and stations collections to nothing. So set customers equal nothing. And we'll do the same thing for stations. Set stations equal nothing. After these lines of code run, the customers and stations collections will be removed from memory. Excel has very good memory management and will almost always remove objects from memory without you having to tell it to do so. However, it is a good habit to get into. Not every programming language or program has as effective a memory management routine as Excel, so this is a good habit to get into.